Now time is try our cake. It's coming to be nice and very, very chocolate. We already almost like eat everything actually. I add some coconut cream. It's unbelievable delicious. You can eat your mind, honestly, can't stop. Very chocolate, nice texture. It's coming be more juicy than usual cake when you cook without zucchini. Zucchini give it more wetness and taste gorgeous. It's like real restaurant dessert. Try it. 200 gram zucchini, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon sweetener, teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup coconut flour, very full, 1 cup cacao, mix it, and a tablespoon olive oil or coconut or butter, whatever you like. Take silicone form and fill it up. Make it smooth and bake in oven for 30 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Cake is ready. Making chocolate glaze. 50 gram butter, 15 milliliters cream, warm it up, not on very high fire. Add sweetener, add cacao, 3 full teaspoon, and mix it slowly till it's coming a bit thicker. It's nice and thick and smooth. Put on our cake. And cool down it. And enjoy our chocolate cake with chocolate glaze.